Preposition of place. Usage of in and at. Example number 1. We stay in India. Now, India is a name of a country. It is a bigger space. Therefore, we put the preposition in before the name of a country. Example number 2. The friends will meet at a cafe. Now, cafe is a very particular, specific and a smaller space. Therefore, we will put preposition at before a cafe. Example number 3. Mr. Ray stays in Kolkata. Now, Kolkata is a name of a city, a big city. The space is also big. Therefore, we will use the preposition in before the name of a city. Therefore, we can write Mr. Ray stays in Kolkata. Example number 4. The boy stays in a remote village. Again, when we use village in general, not specifying any particular name of the village, we will use the preposition in as we have used in this sentence. The boy stays in a remote village. Example number 5. Shamoli lives at Jashodanga. Now, Jashodanga is a name of a village. So, when we are using a name of a village, we will use at preposition. Here we have written Shamoli lives at Jashodanga village, or Shamoli lives at Jashodanga. We will be at the library. Example number 6. Now here at means we are choosing a book, or we will be at the library. Here at is used before the library, denoting when choosing a book or the purpose of being in a library. Number 7. We are in the library now. Here instead of at we have used in. Here in denotes inside, that is the place or the position. Number 8. He is at the office now. Now here we have put at before the office. At here denotes that he is at the office on duty. That is the purpose of being at the office. Number 9. Father is in the office. Now, when we are using the preposition in before the office, that simply denotes that father is inside the office. Number 10. She stays in a big city. Now, in preposition is used when the space is bigger, like country, district, or city. Or in general, when we use the word town or village. So we have written she stays in a big city. Number 11. Put the money in your pocket. Now here the preposition in is used before your pocket, and in here denotes inside, that is where or the position, inside. Number 12. She is studying in her room. Same reason, in is used as inside. Number 13. It is very hot in the deserts. Now deserts denote bigger space. Therefore, in is used before the deserts. Number 14. Someone is waiting at the gate. Now gate is a very specific point or a place which is also very small. Therefore, we are using the preposition at before the word gate or the gate. Number 15. He is waiting at the bus stop. Same reason as that of 14. Number 16. Garima is at home. Home is a smaller space when we compare to country, city, town or village. Therefore, we are using at before home. Number 13. He has 300 rupees in his wallet. Here, the preposition in is used instead of inside. Number 18. The lady is sitting in the drawing room. In here is used denoting inside. Number 19. The car is waiting at the signal. Now, again, signal is a small and very specific point of place, or a point or a place. Therefore, we are using the preposition at before the word signal. Number 20. Wild animals stay in forests. Now, forest is a very big space and this is also a very general space. So therefore, we are using the preposition in before forests. Number 21. We are now at the cinema hall. Now here we have used at before the cinema hall because cinema hall is a small space and also the sentence in itself denotes a very normal purpose of being at the cinema hall. Or in a the sentence is written in a very normal way. Therefore, we will put the preposition at before the cinema hall. Number 22. My friend is staying in Delhi. Now, Delhi is a city and we use in before a name of a city because city is considered as a bigger space. Number 23. He stays in Birbhum district. District is a bigger space. Therefore, we are using in before even our district name. Number 24. Mrs. Dev is in Australia now. Australia is the name of a country and we use in before the name of a country. 25. She will be in Midnapur district tomorrow. So we are using the preposition in before Midnapur district because a district is always a bigger space. Number 26. The boys stay at Midnapur town. Now, Midnapur town is a town, name of a town which is situated in Midnapur district. Because it is a name, specific name of a town and also a small space than a district, we will use at before Midnapur town. But if we would have written the boys stay at a town, that is without naming a town, then we would have used in before a town. 27. The Burmans are at the theatre. Now here the Burmans are at the theatre. The preposition at is used to denote that they are in the theatre to watch a play, which is a very general purpose of being in a theatre. Number 28. Mr. Sen is in the theatre. Now here when we are using in the theatre, here the preposition in denotes that Mr. Sen is inside the theatre. Now Mr. Sen may not be inside the theatre to watch a theatre or a play. He can be working in the theatre, he can be just waiting for someone in the theatre also. So in this type of cases or in these type of cases we use Mr. Sen is in the theatre or the preposition in before the theatre or the cinema. Number 29. Aman lives in a town. Now here we have not given a name to any town. Therefore, Since we have used town in general, we will use the preposition in before our town. Number 30, Revati lives at Kulti. Now Kulti is a name of a small town. Therefore, we have specified the name of a town in this sentence. So we will use the preposition at before the word Kulti. Hope it is clear up to this much. Thank you for watching. So please subscribe to the channel for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.